In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emails to Mailchimp in just 5 minutes. Adding emails to your Mailchimp account is a simple yet crucial task, whether you're building a new marketing list or updating an existing one. Today, I'll guide you through two primary methods: manually adding individual emails and importing a list of emails. Let's get started. First, let's talk about manually adding emails. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the audience section. This is where you'll manage your email lists. You'll see an option called All Contacts. Click on that and you'll be prompted to choose which audience list you want to add emails to. Selecting the right audience is important, so take a moment to ensure you're adding emails to the correct list. Now you'll want to click on the Add a Contact button. This is where you can input the individual details of the contact you want to add. You'll enter the email address and other pertinent details such as the first name, last name, and any other fields you've set up to capture information. Once you've entered all the necessary information, make sure you double check for typos or errors. When you're satisfied everything is correct, click the Save button. This saves the contact to your chosen audience list. Next, let's explore importing a list of emails, which is particularly useful for larger volumes. You'll start by returning to the audience section and selecting the audience to which you want to add your list. Look for the Add Contacts button and give it a click. This time choose Import Contacts from the drop-down menu. At this stage, you'll be prompted to select the method of import. You can either upload a CSV file, which is ideal if you have your contacts stored in a spreadsheet, or copy and paste the data directly if that's more convenient for you. Now, you need to follow the prompts to ensure the fields are mapped correctly. Field mapping is how Mailchimp knows that the data you're importing, such as names and emails, matches the fields you have in your audience. Take your time to confirm that the data aligns appropriately, as this step is vital for maintaining the integrity of your records. Once you've verified that everything is in order, click on Finalize Import. And just like that, you've successfully added multiple contacts to your Mailchimp list. Remember, whether adding contacts manually or importing lists, always ensure your email addresses come from people who have opted to receive emails from you to stay compliant with email marketing laws. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Mailchimp emails. Whether you're doing it one by one or in bulk, these methods will keep your email marketing efforts smooth and organized. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.